What is up, you guys? It's Chris here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube even with a small audience, because not everyone has the luxury of having thousands or even millions of subscribers on YouTube. So if you follow the tips in this video, you will be able to successfully launch a business on YouTube and, most importantly, get paid while doing it. So the first way in which you can monetize or make money from your YouTube videos is to get sponsorships or brand deals. So if you're not familiar with sponsorship deals, it's basically when you partner with a company to promote their product. But instead of getting paid based on sales of that product, you are going to get paid a flat fee for creating a video, or you get free stuff from the company to review on your channel. So I know a lot of you are going to sound off in the comment section saying something like, well, Chris, I don't have a large YouTube channel. What kind of company would ever want to partner with me? Why am I watching this video? Your channel sucks. Yeah. Well, yeah, no one's going to partner with you with that attitude. You see, the key to landing a sponsorship on YouTube is knowing the trick of how to use SEO, or search engine optimization, to get your videos on the first page of Google for whatever keyword that you want. Because the truth is, the majority of videos on YouTube are not optimized correctly to be found in search. And because of this, this is an opportunity for you to dominate your market. And in my personal opinion, this is the best reason why YouTube is so much better than the traditional Google search, because it is nowhere near as saturated. The next thing that you need to know about landing a sponsorship deal is you need to have confidence. So you need to actually reach out to the companies in which you want to be a partner with. But the key is you want to reach out to these companies before you even make a video. Just think of it. The worst thing that can happen is that they say no, or maybe not right now. As an example, a fellow YouTuber named Heather Torres, before she even posted one video on her channel, started reaching out to companies that were related to her topics. Her topic happened to be homeschooling children. So she decided to reach out to a few companies, and they actually got back with her and gave her the okay to start creating videos regarding their particular product. As a result, she got a flat fee for creating the videos, as well as making money anytime someone she referred actually purchased the program. And yes, this was before she even posted her first video. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that this is going to always work out, but you'll never have an answer unless you ask. And if you optimize your videos correctly, you'll be able to be found in search for specific keywords that can make you a ton of money, especially when it comes to YouTube, which happens to be the second biggest search engine on the planet. If you haven't already, please be sure to smash that like button. It really helps out the video a lot, as well as it really satisfies YouTube's algorithm. And if you are liking the content so far, do me a solid and smash that like button. Appreciate you. The next way that you can make money on YouTube is with affiliate marketing. Now, this by far is one of my favorite ways to monetize your YouTube channel. Now, how this works is you're simply going to create a video about a product that you are using. Talk about what you like about it. Talk about what you don't like about it. And then clearly state in the video that you're going to put a link down in the description. And if someone's interested in going to purchase the product, be sure to use that link. Now, when placing these affiliate links, I like to let people know that they are actual affiliate links, meaning that I'm going to receive a kickback if someone were to click it and go on and purchase, but it's at no additional cost to you. By addressing this head on, I find that people are more inclined to click the link because it's going to help you, especially if they are going to be buying the product anyway. The next way in which you can monetize your YouTube channel is to create your own product. Now, one of the downsides of affiliate marketing is the fact that you only receive a percentage of the sales that you drive. So let's just say, for example, you are responsible for bringing $10,000 worth of business to a company. And then when you negotiated the affiliate terms with how much of a percentage you would get back anytime a sale was made, you probably came up with, for example, 30%, which means you're only going to get $3,000 of the $10,000 that you brought to the company. Well, that is not the case when it comes to creating your own product. When you sell your own product online, you get 100% of the proceeds, except any transaction fees, of course. So now, if you were to generate $10,000 worth of sales to your company, you're going to collect $10,000. But before you start jumping up for joy and thinking, you know what, I'm going to go create my own product, you have to remember that creating your own product is a chore. You have to come up with the idea. You have to test that idea. Then you have to spend hours creating that idea. Then you have to market it. then maintain it, deal with returns, unsatisfied customers. It's really a list that kind of never ends. But one thing that I do find is a lot of people who start with the affiliate marketing side of things eventually kind of migrate over to creating their own products, especially as you become a more seasoned marketer. And really, this started to happen with me as well. When I first got started, I had literally zero desire to create my own product, and mainly because I didn't have time for it. I would have much rather sell someone else's product, receive the commission kickback, and just watch the passive income roll in. And don't get me wrong, affiliate marketing is still an extremely viable option of creating your own business online. But after a while, you may want to start scaling your business and start looking into new horizons to really grow that business to the next level. So the next way in which you can make money from your YouTube channel is the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. So the YouTube Partner Program is basically when you allow other advertisers to show advertisements on your videos. Now, to be honest, the YouTube Partner Program is probably the absolute worst way in which you can monetize your YouTube channel. And not because it's not a good viable option for making a decent amount of money, just the fact that it's very variable. It's hard for your income to be stable. There are times where my YouTube revenue from month to month can fluctuate anywhere from 30 to 40%. Meaning, for the sake of example, if I made $100 one month from YouTube advertising, the next month I might make as little as $60 in YouTube advertising. And really, that's a pretty big jump in income that's really unpredictable because it's so dependent on who's advertising at the time. So if you have any more of these weird adpocalypse type things where a lot of advertisers just start pulling from YouTube, then your income is going to be affected. So even though there are massive fluctuations to the amount of money you can get from the YouTube Partner Program from month to month, it is still an extremely lucrative way to make money with YouTube if you follow the rules that YouTube tells you to play by. But using a YouTube Partner Program can also become a great source of passive income as well, because even to this day, I am getting paid for videos that I've made over a year ago, and you can't get any more passive than that, which honestly isn't a bad way to make some income. So in the grand scheme of things, when it comes to creating extra revenue streams for your business, one should be the YouTube Partner Program while you're creating your YouTube channel. But I wouldn't necessarily depend upon it to be the basis of where all of your money is coming from in your business. The next way that you can monetize your YouTube channel is from crowdfunding. Now, crowdfunding is really a fun way to really monetize your channel, because I'm sure that you have seen plenty of people have accounts at like Patreon or PayPal where people are asking you to contribute to the creator so that they can continue making more content that you're already enjoying by watching their videos. You see, making videos on YouTube is not necessarily the easiest thing to do in the world, but it is very rewarding. So when you are watching someone's YouTube video, they had to go through quite a bit of production value just to kind of give you good value and to also show that it's very entertaining to you as well. So if you're enjoying the content, if you're enjoying laughing or learning or whatever the reason is that you're watching this person's YouTube video, you can contribute to them so that they can continue making content for you to consume. So some of you might be thinking, why would I want to contribute to a creator? Well, think of it this way. How much money did you spend to use YouTube today? Yeah, $0. YouTube is 100% free. Anybody can use it. So if you have a creator who you watch their content all the time, feel free to help them out by contributing to their Patreon accounts and support them. A lot of these YouTubers are doing this full time, and by you contributing to them, they're able to pay their bills. They're able to feed themselves so that they can continue making good content that you are already enjoying. Now, honestly, in my opinion, I do not necessarily use crowdfunding as a way to monetize my YouTube channel because a lot of times it can come across as begging, and I'm not about that. But that doesn't mean that it is something that you shouldn't explore. It's definitely a great way to monetize your YouTube channel, especially if you already have a decent sized audience. Even YouTube is getting in on the fun when it comes to crowdfunding. If you look at some of the larger channels, you probably have seen that little join button right next to the subscribe button. What they're trying to do is anytime you click on that button, you can decide to donate a certain amount of money to your creators month to month. So the next time that you are watching one of your favorite content creators, see if they have any way in which you can contribute to them because you're already enjoying their products. The next way that you can monetize your YouTube channel is by selling merchandise or merch. Now, merch is a great way to monetize your YouTube channel, and really because as you are donating to your creators, instead of just doing it for the sake of doing it like you would in crowdfunding, you're actually going to get something something back from it, like a shirt or a poster or a hat or any type of merch that the creator happens to be promoting. So if you have raving fans who never miss a post, they never miss a video that you happen to create, these are the ones who are going to be buying your hoodies or your glasses or your t-shirts or whatever. I know of channels that are making over $100,000 per month or more just in merchandise sale. The number really is just ridiculously mind-blowing. So even though you can monetize your channel with merchandise, it is kind of reserved for places that actually have a decent following already. And the reason being is you typically have to pay a percentage of whatever you sell on the channel. So if you sold a t-shirt for $20, maybe 7 or 8 of those dollars has to go to the distributor so that they can create the t-shirt and then ship it to the viewer. So the hardest part of really implementing the best way to monetize your YouTube channel is just that, creating the channel and creating the individual videos on a channel. I mean, everything from coming up with the video ideas, planning, shooting, editing, marketing. It's a lot involved in trying to create your own YouTube channel. And there is a ton of stuff that you want to make sure you are doing correctly in order to maximize the amount of money that you can make from your channel. So if you need help in that department, I did you a solid. I created a free YouTube checklist that you can go check out over at tubemarketing101.com. That's tubemarketing101.com. It's a free checklist that you can use with literally every video that you post on your channel to make sure that you are doing everything step by step and correctly so that you can maximize the amount of money that you can make per video. So it's a step-by-step guide to make sure you don't miss any crucial steps. So be sure to go check it out. I'll put a link down in the description, tubemarketing101.com. So what was your favorite way of monetizing your YouTube channel? Have you started using any of them yet? Did any of what I explained not make sense? If so, let me know down in the comments below. I spend an unhealthy amount of time in the comment section, so if you take the time to leave me a comment, I will take the time to respond to it and really help you out so that you can get your YouTube channel started immediately. So please, if you haven't already, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done so already and you've made it this far into the video, you're really just playing with my emotions and that's not nice. So save you some pain and anguish and go ahead, like the video and subscribe. And I will catch you all later. My only viable option even if you have yet to mic. I just didn't